One-click background remove. Open this website www.remove.bg. You can find this website in description also. Then click upload image. Select one image from here. Wait for remove. Then you can also add your favorite background. Click this. Select one image from this list. Watch what is the difference. Then choose color only. Then you can make blur for background. Then done, finish. If you don't want background, select empty. Then done. Click for download. Go to download file. Now without background. Then select one more. Select image. Click open to load. Removing background. Then click download. Then you can add background. Select any image from here. No background, then click empty. If you want add your own image, select this plus. Choice from your computer. Select and open. See what is the difference. Finally go to download. Download the image. Downloaded file. Then come to edit more from CorelDRAW. Select from here what you remove background image. Now you can edit whatever you want from CorelDRAW. I hope you enjoy with this video. If you have any doubt, please comment me.